Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this little angel out of scraps of yarn, and you don't even need to crochet or knit. So let's get started. Cut a triangle shape out of any kind of cardboard. This was just a cracker box, or you could use corrugated cardboard. Any type of cardboard will work. And I have a container of wooden beads. I bought these at the dollar store. I think it was $4 for the whole container. And I'm going to use one of these balls for the head. I have a piece of wire, and I'm going to fold it in half. If you don't have wire, you could use dental floss. And I'm just going to use that to thread my yarn through my ball. Like that. And I'll just make a knot in that folded end just for a better grip. And I'm going to hot glue that to the top. Like that. So I'll start here. And I'll put another bit of glue just to hold it in place. Like that. And now I'm going to wind my yarn all the way down, and every once in a while I'll put a little dot of glue. Okay, like that. And I'm going to make some hair, and I want the hair to be almost as long as the body. So I'm going to go ahead and wind it around this another piece of cardboard. And you can use any color yarn for the hair. I'm going to use this taupe color. I'm going for the natural look. So I'm going to wind this around until I have enough that I think I will need for the hair, and that looks like a goodly amount. So cut that off and cut it here, like that. Now I'm going to use my yarn from the head, and I'm going to place the hair down and tie a tight knot. Like that. And I'll glue it down the two sides. Like that. Turn it around. Glue it on the back of the head. Turn it back around. And I'm going to just take a little bit from the front and turn it around. I'm just going to twist a little bit and bring those together down the center back and put a little silver twist tie around. And then I'll trim the hair straight. Like that. For the arms, I'm going to use these two small beads for the hands, and I'll thread those on like that and place them in the center. And now I'm going to go around to the back and hot glue those on the under the hair on the back. Like that and like that. So that's the back, and there's the front. And I'm going to use one of these iridescent pipe cleaners to make a halo. Wrap that around and bring that around and hot glue it in place. Like that. Now with the same pipe cleaner that I had, I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm just going to form a little bow. Like that. Like that. I'm going to glue that at the neck. like that. I can tie a knot in the hanger. To make the wings, I'm going to use the same piece of cardboard that I used for the hair, and I'm going to use some jute, and I'm going to wind that around several times. And that's probably enough. Slide that off. And then I'll cut another piece. And I'll tie that around. Tie that around. Spread them open a little bit like that. Turn the angel around and apply some hot glue. And hot glue that on the back like that. And I'm just going to hot glue the little hands in place. Take another pipe cleaner, and I'm just going to cut some small pieces. Like that. And I'm going to glue them along the bottom. So I'll start in the center. And I'm going to cover my hanging thread with a little pearl that I'm going to glue on right there. Like that. And if you like, you could glue something in her hands, like maybe a bell, like this. And I have a little star that I made out of a pipe cleaner. And you could also use these on top of a gift.